welcome back to my channel. I'm Jyotsna, pursuing my third semester of BE Computer Science from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In today's video, we are going to learn about simple inventory control. So basically, what is a simple inventory control? A simple inventory control refers to the process of managing stock levels in a straightforward and efficient way. It ensures that an organization or individual can monitor the quantity, location, and availability of items without using overly complex systems or techniques. Key objectives of inventory control. First one, avoid overstocking, which prevents having too much stock, which ties up capital and increases storage costs. Second one is avoid stockouts, which ensures that necessary items are always available, avoiding disruptions in operations or sales. Third one is track inventory, which maintains accurate records of items in stock, quantities, and their details. And finally, fourth one is which improves efficiency. That means it streamlines the process of adding, removing, and updating inventory to save time and resources. Features of a simple inventory control system. These are add items, remove items, update inventory, list items, and search. Add items, which basically allows new products to be added to the inventory with details like name, quantity, price, and ID. Remove items removes products when they are no longer needed or are sold. Update inventory adjusts quantities or prices as stock levels change or costs fluctuate. List items displays all products in the inventory, often with key details for easy monitoring. Finally, the last one is search, which helps us to find specific products by ID or name. How simple inventory control works. Input. Users provide details about the stock, example product name, ID, price, quantity, etc. Storage. Data is stored in a structured format, example arrays, lists, or databases, etc. And operations, which perform actions such as adding, updating, deleting items from the inventory. And output, which displays the current inventory status, including quantities and other product details. Benefits of simple inventory control. It is cost effective and easy to use, customization and immediate availability. Cost effective, which means it requires minimal resources compared to complex enterprise level systems. Second one is easy to use, which means it has simple interfaces and workflows to make it accessible for small businesses and beginners. Third one is customization. It can be tailored to specific needs, example a small shop or a warehouse. And finally, fourth one is immediate availability, which provides real-time insights into stock levels for better decision making. Now, the challenges which we face while using simple inventory control are scalability, manual errors, and limited features. Scalability, which may become inadequate as the business grows and inventory expands. Manual errors. In systems without automation, mistakes in data entry can lead to inaccuracies. And limited features may not support advanced functionalities like demand forecasting, automated reordering, or multi location tracking. Tools for simple inventory control. These are spreadsheet software like in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for basic tracking. Programming languages are Java, Python, or C++ for creating custom inventory systems, and basic softwares for small business software like Zoho, Inventory, or Odoo. Real world applications. Retail stores to manage stock for items like groceries, clothing, or electronics. warehouses to track goods for distribution or storage, home businesses to keep track of homemade products, raw materials, or inventory for resale. Now let's look at an example of simple inventory control. So this is an example of simple inventory management system. It includes three classes. These are product class, then inventory manager class, and then main class. The product class represents a product in the inventory. It has four private fields. These are ID, name, quantity, and price. The class also includes a constructor that initializes these fields. Getter methods. These methods helps us to retrieve the values of the fields. And then comes the setter method, which helps us to change the values of these fields. And the toString method is overridden to provide a string representation of product object. Now the next one is inventory manager class. This class manages the list of product objects. It has three methods: add product, remove product, and update product. The add product method adds a new product object to the list. The remove product method removes a product object from the list based on its ID. And the update product method updates the quantity and price of a product object based on its ID. And finally, the main class, that is inventory control class. It creates an instance of inventory manager and a scanner object to read user input. It then enters a loop that displays a menu of options to the user and executes the corresponding actions based on the user's choice. The loop continues until the user chooses to exit the system. So let's see how it works. I'm executing it. So now let's just execute this program. So here it has given five options. I'll choose one. The ID as 101. Now enter the product name. So let's say laptop. Next is enter the quantity, let's say 2. And the price will be 10,000. So it's giving my product is successfully added. Next, I would like to update it. So let me just update it. Update ID is 101. What we have given. Enter the new quantity. I would make it 1. New price will be 7,000. It's successfully updated. So let's see what it is. So I'll check whether it's updated or not. Yes, see, it's updated. My quantity is 1 and the price is 7,000. Now I want to remove it. My product is successfully removed. So we have tried adding an object, removing, updating, and list. Finally, we'll exit. That is how a simple inventory control works. Now, the conclusion of today's video is simple inventory control is a foundational tool for managing stock in an efficient and organized way. Whether implemented manually or using basic software, it is essential for ensuring smooth operations, reducing waste, and improving productivity. For those looking to expand these capabilities, Adding features like data analysis, barcode scanning, or integration with sales platforms is a natural next step. And finally, thank you for watching this video until now. Please do like it and share it with your friends and family.